Okay. Madam. One dispatch that just bring this document. No. Just carry and come. I just hope it's not the document that I'm expecting and you are excusing with your dirty hand. Auntie, my hand not dirty, oh. Very clean. Oh, you can just say I'm blind now. Idiot.
Sorry.
If you know the importance of this document, you will not even dare to hold it like that. Like a trash. And what is the importance? And how is that your business? Because you are just asking me stupid question now. Have you bought the fuel I asked you to buy? Auntie, there is first scarcity. If I go now, not evening, I go come back. Oh, no road, nothing. The queue too much. Are you mad? So are you telling me to go and carry the keg and go and buy fuel? I don't understand.
Yes.
No, ma. I just tell you what they saw for the country.
Yes.
No verse. I better take your. Will you just get out of my sight and go and get me the fuel before I change my mind? Idiots. Don't they talk to somebody anyhow? Excusing my documents. If I don't get I'm looking for a job and they say, okay, you need to provide your original documents. You now think I will now stoop so low and be requesting for my documents? After many years that I've left school, I don't even remember the years that I've left school. I'm now requesting for documents, and this guy stoops so low to excuse my documents. Idiot. Don't worry. Oh, my rice. Oh. Who is the owner of this book? Who is the owner of this book? What's this?
Oh shit!
Yeah. Who is this animal now? Animal, bo. Where is the animal? You are the animal. You this fool.
She what?
Who? What can I do? See the way you are spreading my original certificate on this dirty floor.
She what?
Because I don't understand. No, as I dey come, I dey go, I see your paper, say make I help you pick am. If you repeat any statement there, I will slap you. Do you even know I have my wife, I have my NECO, I have my OSG, I have my JAMB, I have my master certificate in what you are holding. So sorry. Well, I wasn't surprised. Since your educational level no pass common entrance level. Jesus! So you not know the value of what you are holding. You will not know and you will never know. Auntie, calm down. I no do evil for you. As I dey waka go, I see your paper scattering on the floor. I don't know that is your important. Can you just I see out a gang. See your life. You cannot even construct a simple sentence.
There is God in everything we are doing.
Can you just drop that thing that you are holding? My certificate.
They never show you say the mumu.
My original certificate.
Think say they wise. Sorry.
My certificate.